Okay, yes, Thorfik Muncher says Tesla robot has disappeared with no updates. No, I think they put an update the other day. Robot was doing something in the factory or whatever. But the Tesla robot, as I mentioned earlier, maybe you didn't join the stream yet. There's a conference, there's a robotics AI conference going on in here in Asia, and everyone's demonstrating their robots. They're cool. They do this and that. And Tesla's robot is useless behind the glass, just saying, "Oh, look, would be made out of plastic with a 3D printer." So that's the update. That's the update. 7 months passed since the last Tesla. It's a arts and crafts project update, but not really a robot update. Paul T says Tesla are not showing robot too much as other companies copy what they're doing. So, Paul, honestly, I just my brain hurts. Sometimes you say stupidest shit. I'm sorry, Paul. I just have to say this is the stupidest shit I've heard all day today. And I've heard some stupid shit today. You do understand that Tesla, I don't even know like from which angle to explain this. Are you not aware what other robotics companies do? Like that. I mean, do you know what other robots do right now? I mean, humanoid robots, right? I'm not talking about vacuum cleaners. You don't understand that like they run around, jump up and down, do flips, do like obstacle courses. Others are like interacting with human beings and stuff like that. Like it's like they do a lot of amazing stuff. Some have like actual emotions on their faces, like it's almost a human face. Have you like not followed that? Because you can just Google that. There are videos who just basically showcase what robots do. This conference that's happening in, I think it's in China, but somewhere in Asia, absolutely already has videos. Like, have you not seen that? Because if anything, Tesla is going to be copying them. Okay, Tesla's got nothing. Their robot doesn't do anything that's impressive if you've ever seen other robots. So, as a matter of fact, even if you go with like Tesla itself, the cars, there's nothing that Tesla is doing that's new and innovative. If anything, they're trying to catch up to others that are innovating now. There's so much innovation going on outside of Tesla, where it's Tesla now catching up as far as like cars are concerned. Battery technology, even charging technology. Tesla's behind in all of that. And they're definitely behind in robots, an industry that entered only like a year ago, 2 years ago, maybe, that's been out there for 20 freaking years, if not more than that. You really think that just beat everybody? You do remember when they unveiled the robot, it was like a human being in a robot Halloween costume dancing around on stage. That's how behind they were. Oh my goodness gracious. They're not showing the robot is because they don't have much to show. That's why wrong. I'm sorry, wrong. Hold. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, you're gonna owe me for therapy one day, because I just sometimes you say the shit just like makes no sense. Okay, next comment. J Chemo 11 says, why is the assumption that the Tesla bot can compete? Perhaps they didn't want the Chinese. Oh my god, this is another comment like this. Okay, I just explained it, and plus the whole point of everybody to showcase their work. That's the whole point of the conference. Just like when you have a car show, everybody brings their cars in concepts. Okay. By the way, there's no such thing as hiding a secret in the automotive industry anymore. You cannot hide a secret because trust me, everybody inside the industry, like if you don't think that Ford CEO knows exactly what Elon Musk is working on right now as far as Tesla is concerned, you are delusional. Saying that Elon Musk knows exactly what Ford is doing behind closed doors and secret meetings. There's no secrets anymore. There are no secrets anymore. So no, there's no such thing. By the way, stealing an IP is a very different thing. You don't need to go to a show to steal someone's IP. You hack them, right? So that comment makes no sense whatsoever. I mean, none of this fucking Tesla apologists. I mean, like you guys will come, this is the stupidest thing that I've heard. There are better ways to make apologies for Elon. They're still not going to be very educated, but at least they comprehend. But this is just, oh boy. Yeah. So, and then by the way, why be at the show then? Why is Tesla at that show? Why did they even bother? Okay. All right, I'm just going to move on and hope my blood pressure goes down enough for me to fall asleep tonight. Okay, I'll get to one more dot comment. Tesla is the only robotics company that can manufacture at scale as well. Can you please, whenever you make the statements, can you please tell me what set of data or facts you're relying on? You do understand that Honda is heavily involved with robots. And you do understand that Honda can make whatever the fuck they want. They make millions of cars a year, no problem. You don't think they can make robots? And then they make other products, motorcycles, generators, like tons of stuff. Really? I honestly, please, when you say this stupid shit, you gotta tell me at least where are you getting this? Yeah. My goodness, guys. I mean, honestly, this is one of the problems with generally America and Western cultures. We don't need facts anymore. Like somebody can just say stupid shit like this, come up with no facts whatsoever. Because before you submitted this comment, I believe I've already told you about all the other stupid stuff you were saying. You just like, okay, well, facts, and I get how they are. You move on to the next pile of poop you just throw over my heads. And I'm having trouble like cleaning up. This is just, it's amazing how like you can't, like, people think that their feelings are more important than facts, or they just don't even know what facts are anymore. Yeah, no, Tesla sucks at a lot of things, and robots is one of them because they just started doing that. And there are many companies that have been working on this for many, many, many years, which means those are the companies who hired the best people who can do it. People don't want to work for Tesla, okay? They don't want to leave Honda or whatever other company where they're not being yelled at or can be fired at any time in an elevator by the CEO, where their work is respected. And there's nobody overriding them and telling them and holding their hands what to do. They can actually flourish on their own. So Tesla won't even get that talent. Yeah. Okay. What time is it in Bangkok right now? Says Tom. It is too late no matter what, but it's 1:40 in the morning. What time is it in California or whatever you're watching it from? Let me catch up. Robert OG3 says Tesla robots on third updates. Robots have been around for many years, but it's been mostly for industry. Yeah, no, that's true as well. The art of value is pitching in and says there is a lot of humanoid robots competition, especially in China. I just made a video about that. There you go. Go watch his video about it once the live stream is over. Okay.